Hello, hello, welcome. Oh, CWO Fever. Hello, welcome in. Glad to see you again. How are you doing? Welcome everybody to lepozhdian Vibe. This is Friday. Yes, I guess today is Friday. Friday stream. For those who don't know what we are doing, we are making like the vibe. We are making the game. This is game development stream. And we do the development in real time. So the links there are below. Feel free to check. And I guess we will start this stream right away. So yes, this is like the sandbox, multiplayer sandbox. This is multiplayer sandbox, a slow narrative. So you have like the storyline. You create your vibe world through like the storyline and expand this thing with the editor. So it also has like social deduction, immersive environment, includes actions, stealth, character interaction, problem solving skills, weapons, items, events, multiple choices, and varied game experience. And yes, we are making like this game live on stream. The game will be free. So feel free to check this thing out on my page. If you don't have the key, let me know. I will give you the key. But so far, you can just wish list this thing so far. Okay. So today is gonna be special day. Let me summarize what happened like previously. Hello. So, we had like bad news. Actually, we had bad news.
Curious about what this
What's
game is
going on?
and who made it?
Yes, this is my thing on background. Okay. So we have the bad news actually. The bad news. What's going on? Like I still haunted by tech issues. Like for example, my microphone does not work still, but I did nothing with it. I just tried quickly grab this thing before the stream, in case maybe everything will be just fine, but apparently not, so I will use like this camera still. Plus, on top of that, I had like super weird issue with Unreal Engine itself. Spill the means. What's the bad news? I have like the issues with Unreal Engine. So I have failed like deliver the update this Wednesday. So people did not get the update. People they are not able to play the new version of the game, play test this thing and this kind of stuff because the Unreal Engine. I had like the bug with the compilation, so the game works like we can actually like work inside of the game, but I'm not able to compile the game. And for example, you see me like I'm I in my pajama. I'm like not like super like you know how to say this hobo style thing. Because I was like spend like these days like starting from the like Tuesday, Wednesday, and like today and yesterday and like the today. I was trying to fix this problem, but I have failed. And yes, so I'm super stressed a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Yes, I'm super stressed, and get out from like the, I would say, like the life, the social life. Like I do not post anything, anything just like that. I spend like all my time trying to fix this thing. So what's the issue? What is the issue? So something broke inside of the engine. Something inside of the engine. Here is like the problem. Here is the problem. When I try to compile the game, I have like the log, the error log, which shows that my component BPC game editor actor functions, it's just like has like handled ensure, condition failed, custom list not initialized, blah blah blah, unknown function, and that's why he was not able to do anything with this thing. So it wasn't, the engine was not able to compile this component. This happens because of like the cache. Something happened with Unreal Engine cache. And this problem caused by the structures. So I always was scared of the Unreal Engine structures. I always was scared of it because it always breaks something. So if you want to change something in the structures, so be very careful. The engine might be like permanently destroyed. So, and I Google some things, and it says like, yes, the engine has like super big problem. He is like super bad at restructuring the structures, and sometimes it's like it's impossible for engine to clean up the cache. So I cleared all the caches. I restarted, like I like erased everything and tried everything, and still I was not able to clean up this error. So this means like the progress what was done like last 2 weeks, it's gone, kind of. So yes, I was not able to bring back everything like together. So yes, so all these days I was trying to fix the existing project, but I have failed. So what's the solution? What the solution? So first of all, yes, sorry for like the delay. The new engine, the new version of the game will be like delayed. Probably till the next Wednesday. I will continue stressing out these days and trying to fix the issue. Yes, I'm just checking like I'm just checking the streams. So how you doing? I hope this is okay. I was trying to fix this issue, but the solution right now is to recreate like recreate all work again. Probably. So I excluded many things. Why was that? Like, but still was like no success. Anyway, I have like the backup. Always do the backups. I have the backup, and I will I will do like the following thing. I will go to like my patch notes and check what's going on, and I will open like this is like the old version, the old non-working one. This version will be like on my left monitor, and I will take like the backup 2 weeks before. I've checked this thing, this works just fine. This works just fine. If this compiles, everything goes just okay. So I will recreate like the blueprints basically. And I hope everything will be just okay. So this is like the only chance I have. And after that, probably my next goal will be like figure out how to use like the Git, like make like this system which allows me to prevent anything just like that in the future. Oh yes, so I am super cooked, let's say. I am super cooked. I was like, I had like no sleep. I was trying to fix this thing. And yes, so I'm a little bit sad and tired. So today we're gonna fix all this thing. And again, again, I was trying to fix this thing off stream, but we will do this thing on stream, but with the different approach. Sad, hope you fix it. Yes, I hope myself as well. Like, this is super unpleasant. This is super unpleasant, but it's like where like we can deal with this thing. Like as I said before, like there was like 4 times when something similar happened to like the vibe. I had to recreate the vibe from the scratch 4 times. And I already had like the in editor, the game modes, the customization, the UI, everything, everything was there. But I had to recreate this thing 4 times. Okay, so first I will try to, yes, I will open like the change log. I open the change log. We will see this thing in Obsidian, and I will go like one by one and try to fix this thing. So yes, this is how the stream will be. Okay. Maybe I will add some extra things, who knows? But the priority is to fix this thing. Oh, how was your journey these days? As I said, like mine, it was like super stressful, and yes, not really productive. Lack of sleep and stuff. Let's listen like some uh, nice music. So I'm just copying on the background. I'm copying the backup. I love the vibe. Oh yes, we love the vibe. We love the vibe. Everything will be just fine. Let's add some light, fake light. Hello, light. Yes, thank you for your support. Yes. Oh my god. So yes, I'm literally in my pyjama because like I like the whole time, like from the dusk to dawn, I was trying to fix this thing since like Tuesday, and now we have like the Friday, and I got like, I don't know, like 5 hours of sleep every day, so I'm kind of like a little bit cooked right now. Mine was pretty not good. I got sick, but now I'm okay, happily. Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. I hope you, yes, glad to hear you that you feel better. Glad you feel better. The best thing you can do during like the sick is to have a rest. To have the good rest. Hmm. So yes, today is gonna be nothing really super entertainment. I don't know, like nothing really crazy. We're gonna do like the work, just like just this thing, you know. So I'm just waiting for the game load. Let me check this stream. Earth Day. Today is like what? Earth Day? What is this? This takes like the time, yes. So this is gonna be like super. This is me. This is my Discord. Okay, I will close my browser. I will need a lot of RAM since we do like this stream, multiple streams, and like working with 2 projects at the same time. Why? Oh yes, oh yes. So, I guess the last update was, let me see. Let me check the stream or Steam, and see what's the current update of the game. I guess 41. I guess so. But this doesn't matter because the current update is like 10 the 10th of January, and the 41 this the 14th January. So I also need to recheck all like the 41 update. So as for like the audio, dialogue, animations, this kind of stuff, I will add like them from just like copy and paste. But as for the codes, I've been trying to copy like just simply copy the codes and blah blah blah, and this was like not successful. So something, and I have no idea what exactly is broken, like literally broken. And this prevents me to like to compile the game. So we will open like, so we will open like 2 projects at the same time, and we will drag like the data here. Oh my god, this is gonna be painful. Okay, let's start. Sure, why not? Edit color parameter for jump path. You see, I have like so lags right now. Jump path base. Jump pad Okay. So this, we need to create the update visuals function. This goes to construction script. And update visuals. And inside of this thing, we'll make this one, emissive color, create, sure, and this is gonna be rep notify. And rep notify, we're gonna call the same function. We add the interface, game editor color, and we need to put the data into our interface, get colors this one, and set colors this one. Again, I'm not sure like what, how, and why, so I just will recreate this thing from like scratch, like over, like again and again, like each blueprint. My laptop is heating and I have to go. I will come back soon. Sure. Do I have legs? I think I have like the legs on the stream. Let me check something. Let me answer like. So the jump path based next thing, edit project settings. Let's add the collision type. So this is like the jump path we made, like the possibility to select in the game editor without like tracking the visibility channel. So we add like trace new channel. We by default set this thing to ignore, like because this will be like set on everywhere, and we don't want to this thing to be activated by the default. So this is like game editor select, game editor select, accept. Okay, and copy dummy collision. Yes, set everything to be ignored except game editor select. So just like that. And this hidden in game. Yes, I think this is just fine. Save all. What we got here? We got the default Unreal Engine, another bug. All the time, like when I start the engine, this breaks this part of the code. Which is super annoying. So next thing, what we got? Collision, yes. Collision in the particles. Go to particle main, particle main. Where? This is so weird. Like the engine is, I don't know, like I really have like the bad day with technical stuff. Cast shadow hidden in game. So yes, remove the visibility back to game editor select. Let's go to the cheat codes. Add or remove energy. Energy. By the way, let's fix this. Like I fixed the possibility to change like the energy, endless energy on each AI and the player. So we need like cheat manager, infinite energy. Energy parameter. Cheat infinite energy widget. Okay, what we got here? So I got tooltip infinite energy, add energy, remove energy, and tooltip player energy. Tooltip player energy, this goes to a size box. Tooltip player energy. go to parameter energy, endless energy, add the new parameter, create, and this should be replicated, refresh. The rest is the same. Nice. Let's fix this thing. On begin play, update visuals, what we're gonna do. Update and remove buttons. Okay. So create this function. Checkbox infinite is checked. Checkbox infinite. Okay, I need to create the function for the checkbox. I totally forgot about this thing. I forgot that I made this thing. Get is checked. Get is checked. View result. Get is checked. Yes. Okay. Update visuals. We're gonna take this thing. Local. And the last, the apply thing for the this thing. So these two correct. Boom, 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 boom. C. Control V. So branch we don't need. Player state. Do we have the player state? Set endless energy. Cheat manager. Okay, so I forgot about this thing. Is endless energy remove. This one. Other. Okay. Own. Own. Bams, 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 bams. New value. In theory, the cheat command endless energy was restored. Okay, what next? Fixed switch select start session. Start session. Okay, I know what's going on. Session. This one. So this is W menu menu session. Button 76. Where are you? Here you are. Menu UI icons temporarily disabled but visible. Okay. So session details. Yes. This is like enabled. Statistics just enabled. Navigation disabled. I think that's okay. Delay at the dialog end. Open the code. Dialog. Here we go. Confirm. Put this thing here. Do once. Delay. Sequence. Reset. Refresh. Put this thing and just like that. And I remember another place where we should put this thing. Set subtitles text. Set subtitles text. Here. Okay. Fixed. They will be like, might be like super like fail if this will not compile. Oh. Ability to change player name. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like whole new level. Hmm. So let's start with the menu. With like this first button. Tooltip player rename. Okay, add the tooltip as well. Okay, I have the tooltip already. Okay. The new function. I need to have like general function has any bonus role. Blueprint function library Discord has any Discord roles. Pure result. Nice. And player rename. Human editor components. Human editor. So this thing, we need to rename this as well. So what it is look like now? So player rename. Boom, 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 boom. And I guess for the menu, this will be, that's it. Okay, what we're gonna do? Delete everything. No. Yes. So first thing first, we recreate visuals. Yes, put this to the middle. And now the functionality. Start from update visuals. Set random names with delete. Set player name. And basically the rest will be deleted as well. Update visuals. Ctrl C. V. Save file general. I have missing parameter player custom name. Save file general. Create new variable. Okay. What next? Sergey. Nice. Go back to like event graph. Actually, remove this thing and we just go to C. Oh yes, we need to add the widgets interface. This thing here. Promote to variable. And basically that's it. Character rename, just rename feature was restored. But save general. Let's check this save general and set player name. What am I doing here? Sure. So we are successfully saving. The rest is the same. What about load? What about load? What about load? And load is also completed. Oof, oof, oof. Enabled all cloth customization. Sure. Yep. Unlocked. Moving next. Interact. So tip. How to interact with radio. Radio. I love vibe. Yo, hey. Yes, thank you for the vibe, for the lovely vibe. Yes, welcome. How are you doing? So probably you see me in my pyjama right now, and still the camera angle is not quite right still. I had really rough days, like since like the last stream, like as I end the stream, I tried to compile the game, like, you know, every Wednesday they update, but I had like the issue, the Unreal Engine, I was not able to compile the game, and what's going on? Why I have like, I lose my C drive. Oh my god. So technical issues still haunting me, and I have 200 megabytes on C drive, so this is like awful. I hope this stream will not end like rapidly. I have no idea what to do right now. So yes, while I can say I was trying to, all these days I had like no sleep and no rest. I was trying to restore the project. So the engine somehow did something with the cache file system. So probably during like my work, I accidentally like somewhere changed the structure, like the variable like structure, and yes, I think I will get like PTSD or something like from changing like the structure. So yes, so little space on the C drive is super dangerous thing. maybe I can increase like the performance. So yes, and the engine was not able to compile the specific component. I've tried a lot to fix these things, but I have failed. So I'm kind of like stuck. I'm in the process of like recreating everything from scratch again. So I have like the backup of like 2 week old, and the current update live is like 41, but I'm like my backup is version 40, but we already made like 42, so like 2 weeks work is gone. So I'm trying to recreate them from scratch again. So I just copy and paste like the code, and I hope this will work. So yes, yes, ongoing problems about the stream, ongoing new problems with the engine. Yes, so I'm not able to compile the game again because of like Unreal Engine made something like I have the problem with the cache. Understandable situation for the game developer. Yes. This was like just out of blue, and I'm super cooked and tired and like stressed. Like again, like I had like maybe 5 hours of sleep per day, and since like Tuesday, I'm trying to fix. These things. So I'm going through like these like 42, everything like from 42, and try to compile the game. After that I will go back to 41, and I hope I will compile the game as well. And yes, so the update is postponed. Yes, rough days, let's say. So I'm just like, I don't know, super stressed. So the close enabled. To tip how to interact with radio. How about you? How are you? How are you? How are you? What's new? What exciting things you accomplished this week? Uh, radio main. Interface, actor name. Remove actor name, by the way. Game actor name. No. Load, unloaded, showed. No. Actor. Interaction. Interact options. Put this thing here. So yes, today's stream I'm quite like focused on the thing, trying to fix this thing. Radio, yes. The path to the custom atmosphere was changed to Steam game name save workshop atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere. Atmosphere. Save file. Atmosphere. Save file. Atmosphere. Lamps. Oh, it's already there. I forgot to just like to mention this in patch notes, I guess so. I feel you, Bratan, don't worry. Oh yes. Yes, Bratan. Oh my god. Struggling for this also. I'm good building advanced lobby system for all people is good. Nice, nice. Lobbies in marketplace sucks. It is. Many things, like what has like the connection to like the multiplayer in the marketplace sucks. And I used a retro synth as a concept. Thanks for your inspiration. You're welcome, you're welcome. The vibe. Are you making like the lobby for this team? Because this team, it has like the nuances. Like my revelation with like Steam was like, oh my god, I have to rewrite all my code in order to make the lobby working. Since like I have a really weird structure in my game, so I wanted to make like this server travel thing, but apparently this works only on dedicated servers, and this does not work with like with Steam. This Steam does not allow you to move like freely between like the levels. Maybe like lobby and main level, and that's it. So in order to like avoid this limitation, I had to like invent my own lobby system, like my Sierra Travel thing. So yes, if I'm just saying, you might take this into the consideration. So nice to hear that I give like the inspiration to other devs and the musicians. The vibe. Save a lot atmosphere, so this atmosphere should be ready. Missing player vibe points dot information. Now also show how many vibe points player has. Okay, I know where and what. So yes, let's bring this synthwave back. This is like so far like really niche, but this is like really amazing thing. The art style. Preset. Preset. And here as well, preset. Preset. Maybe today we got like special moon cycle. I don't believe this thing, but you know, Sometimes just weird things happening. Right, yes. Both OS systems are compatible. Oh, nice. Epic Steam. Oh, so even better. So even better. So you're a big brain. You're making this thing good. Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Statistics. So in my case, I actually don't have like the lobby, but I enter the lobby. I just use word partition. I create this session, and that's it. And that's it. This is like at the same time my lobby, at the same time my level, at the same time other maps, and I can switch between like the maps without like server travel, this kind of stuff. So this like in shorts my solution. My God, where? 5 points. White points, white points. 5 points. Vibe current, XP required, and this everything goes to here. Okay, now extra information. Data restored. Data restored. Do you streaming level to travel? Almost like I use the level compositions. This stream. Yes, I use the level composition. Basically, this is like new streaming level, new type thing. The streaming level kind of will be like deprecated, also as far as I understand. And I somehow, I don't know why, maybe I did something wrong, but I was not able to use like the streaming level with level composition. But technically they works like almost like the same thing. So yes, I use basically like streaming level. I'm hoping it to be good. So far this is like perfect. So far this is like awesome. Like I really love like composition thing. This works really fast. And again, the epics, they said that this is like super performance thing, like, you know. This was like the initial idea of like word partition was like to hold like gigantic maps and really fast load into like the memory the things. Plus this is like level streaming. You have to like populate the list of like the levels, and they are actually in the memory. So you need to be like really careful. But word composition, despite the fact that you have like the gigantic list of like what and where to go and what to load, they are not like in the memory. So you can easily load and unload them. Italian code. Oh yes. This is the Belarus code. When loading game, now new visuals. This is like painful. This takes this will take a lot of effort to restore. Okay, so I guess I will start from the player state. Player state. Man, this is like so devastating, like recreate this whole work like from the scratch. But again, I had to recreate the whole vibe from scratch 4 times. Loading. Oh my god. The loading system, I made just tons of the changes. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So this is like the loading. Is music post? Share. Karl. Visuals. Okay, nice. And remove. Mm. Okay. Where else I use his music post? Oh, in a music player. You know why? Why I work so hard? I have like so many things to restore. I could be just regular the dev who makes like 2 patches per month. One. And that's it. Okay, let's recreate the visuals themselves. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Huh. I had no idea that I had this thing. So this is like this can explain a lot why I had like what's going on? Why it's getting like removed? Spawn chance. Bams and bams. What? I cannot copy the actor? This is so weird. Actor? Spawn. So weird. Nice stretches. Oh. Hey, I'm back. Yes. I really need to move a little bit. Like I feel it because like oh my god. As I said, like from Tuesday, like after the stream, almost all night, and like Wednesday the whole day, like till like I don't know, like till again almost all night, and yesterday, and now I'm continuing. I'm kind of I feel like I need to move a little bit. I removed all my cache. So the error I got, this is just like this is Unreal Engine's really specific thing. this works really bad with like structures. So if you create like this structure, and that's it, forget about this thing, you know. You better to forget about this thing, and if you want to do something extra, create the new structure. This is like the advice. So I apparently during the work, this is just like my theory, because I had like this similar issue like in the past. So as soon as I changed like bring the structure like back as it was, the issue was gone. What's going on? I'm just like telling like what's going on in the engine, why I think it's like broken, and I restoring like these things like on the fly as well. Like I going through these like my patch notes, and like I restored this thing and these things, so I'm going like from the bottom to the top. And I hope when I reach like this part, I will compile the game and see, like I will remove like the cache again fully, and I will compile the game and see what happens. The ads. So I have 3 palms. 1, 2, 3. Actor, atmosphere. Okay, I think we're back. He has the delay, like a bit much. So the delay. So yes, this is like another thing. I'm trying to do like I actually like in a little bit of like experimenting phase. I'm trying to do like the stream on TikTok as well, but apparently the people on TikTok they they prefer different content. So yes, these they kind of like for the stream they forced to use the third party like software, their own software, which basically creates another like flow of like the data. So I have like extra flow data, and this costs like extra resources. I assume, like, again, this is like the experiment. So far I see nothing from this thing. Maybe I will stop like doing this thing on TikTok. Instead of this, I will prepare something cool. Yes, I will run like I will use like the resource of the PC to run like extra game layer on top of the screen of the stream. So yes, I guess today is like super scuffed and like wrong, like technical week. I don't know, like the engine doesn't work, the mic doesn't work, the camera doesn't work, the stream doesn't work. Like, what's going on? Like, oh my god. But I really appreciate for your patience. We will fix this thing. We will fix this thing and make it super cool. Yes. I already made this thing like on the last stream, like with like Seal Fever, we test a new thing, like the messages from the chat, the UDP signals. So I rewrote this component and it's like super cool now. This would be nice to have this thing. My screen is lagging on Twitch. I will go to YouTube. So this thing on Twitch is lagging. So actually mine as well. About like this is like a true magic test. Hello, yes, test. Yes. Is this the new account? Or what? I don't get it. Again, the YouTube like seems to me like working just fine. So yes, I will focus on the streams like in general improvement. I tried to do the experiment. Nice. Yes, I tried to do the experiment, so but it seems to me it's like not good. Where's the I will stay here so oh, so both of you, yes, welcome. Nice. Hit the like buttons, maybe the algorithm. Oh yes. I know you. I know Kazakhs. You know. Hit the like buttons. Maybe the algorithm will push the stream a little bit further. Actually, I was like super surprised because like more people find me on YouTube. Cricket stack. So the loading almost there. I just need to make sure that the player controller is correct. Spam. Oh yes, spam player controller. YouTube live section, it's kind of bad. Yes, I guess so. Like, I guess this is not their main priority. But the thing that I also have like kind of I'm kind of stuck inside of my own bubble. You can't find what you are usually looking for usually. What I trying to achieve. I'm kind of stuck in my own bubble in terms of like why why spamming? Why? So the YouTube they have like the category. I'm not sure that this works in that way. The YouTube has the category like the, for example, the gaming category, and you can specify the specific game which to stream. And I have the lepozhdian vibe in the global database, and I set the category like I streaming my game. But since this game is like no name right now, I'm kind of like stuck inside of the bubble, inside of those who like playing the game. So apparently, like couple people, you know. Unique. That's not how it works. You need the unique ID sending messages. Yes, it's like different users type something like if we all together will type something like the system will think like there is like the activity. If one person, usually for one person there are like some filters that they will just mute the users from the spamming. The Twitch they have this thing, the elephant, the Twitch they have like this thing enabled by the default, like anti-spam thing. Oh yes, camera. I forgot camera. I forgot set the camera. Okay, let's continue player controller. So yes, something happened with like the structures, and it went into like the cache. I tried to delete the intermediate, saved, built, like the config I never touched, the revert cache, plus what else? Yes, Unreal World cache, plus the same old cache from like the engine itself, like go to like the folder engine, plus on the C drive, like in user folders, I removed all cache, and somehow it is just like it's somewhere very deep. I was not able to remove this thing, so I'm kind of like load my backup, which is like do the compilation. I test this thing. I again like the same thing. I removed the cache, did the compilation. It was successful, and now I'm like kind of keep working with like the old version, restoring like the code, but kind of like with the cheat. I'm just watch my old new code. And see how it goes. I guess YouTube started lagging also. Ah, so now Hermit Titans, but there is no X. Ah. Um. You know what? I think I can improve. So let me know how this will go, like in a couple of minutes. If this is like lagging, I will stop the some processes. Okay, player controller. Loading. Show loading screen. Show loading screen. Loading. Oh yes. Oh yes. By the way, I changed, like, I remembered I changed the way how I load the maps. Okay. So this thing we remove this thing. And this is the new way how I load the maps. Nice. So this is like super important chunk of the code. Super important. Hmm? So is the job is lagging or not? Or what? Or not? How it feels. How it feels. I will. So. Mhm. Seems fine. Huh. Okay. So yes, we will keep investigate this thing. What next? Where am I? New visuals. Temporary removed shadow light indicator from UI. Uh-huh. This is like I'm part of like the feature. As I said, the game, it's even now it has like so many gameplay features. like shadow indicator, you know. We can actually do the stealth, but I find this thing like too overwhelming for the player to show this at the beginning of the game. So I kind of like hide all like the gameplay elements, and I unhide them during like the quest progression. Like the, for example, the atmosphere customization. You can open like the menu and customize the atmosphere, but you will not be able to do this until you actually go to like the atmosphere changer and press this thing, you know. You will change the atmosphere and you will get like the message change atmosphere unlocked, and after that you can go to like your menu and change in any way you want. Next thing is like the same thing with like vibe. You will get like nothing, like the stats about like the vibe, until you will get some. The same goes to like the health. The player is like immortal until like the fourth quest completion, you know. They think when I like show you like the player can actually like die and have like the ghost gameplay and resurrect, and after that the player they have like the health. So the same I'm like open like the layers of like the gameplay. So it's also like kind of, if you like the vibe like from the very beginning, like this simple concept, just like get the vibe and unlock these things and, you know, change the things, it is nice. It is nice. Like as the reward I have like many other things like to show. Monica, it's giving you Monica. What? Monica addiction, we are going planet. I don't get it. I don't get it. Monica is live. Move on, dude. Get a real girl, not Monica. When loading game HUD is not visible. When loading game HUD is not. Oh yes, so this is like part of the loading. Now when pressing the level travel, now UI will be closed. Okay. But Monica. So this is gonna be like cheats. No, server travel. Server travel. Server travel. So what we got here? What we got here? We do something. Close all widgets. How about that? Nice, like nice tiny things. Bring back cheat code. Travel to level. Okay, let me check. This should be. By the default. Okay. So yes, now nice. The 42 version all UI stuff is restored. Wait, don't take the pill. Oh no. No, he's answering that. Music track I will add like on the pulse media player music. Pulse media player, stop media player, change music to be part of the media player, mute game music play media player. Oh my god. This is like, this is a lot of work for the with media player. So let's do this thing, audio. Music. Take it to the hospital. So first, I remember I need to set the new parent, like class, like music, vibe music. So this is, I need this thing for the I need this thing in order to change the audio level vibe music. So I just open like edit, but asset action, edit in property matrix. So in order not to open each asset, I will open this thing parameter and just change this thing here. So right now vibe music, I could just like, I could do like Ctrl C and basically Ctrl V to the rest. So it's actually the faster way. I don't get stuff. Dark, edit asset action, property matrix. So the default sound class media player, yes. So it's not correct. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just like that. I'll save all. Synth, the same we're gonna do for the synth. Property matrix. 21 assets. Are you sure you want to continue? Oh yes. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. What about Calypso? Calypso, this was okay. Matrix, awesome movie, awesome movie. It's crazy like how just movies change like the whole world. Like the Terminator, the Matrix. Asset actions, edit property matrix. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Save stuff without him. You will be fine. You will be fine. Just need the time. So the audio is change all music, be part of the music, not media player. Done. Pause media player. Okay. Close this thing and I need media player on both sides. Media player 1. Media player 2. And here as well. Media player 1. And 2. Good. Yes, thank you for your cheering. Как this. But I'm not sure that I have no idea, like literally. There is like no instruction, but I'm not think that this is how YouTube works. Button stop track, play track, next track, create children. Switch loop. Visibles, resume, focused, update buttons, hit. I guess the media player widget is okay. I need to have this one. So when I hit play track, is music pause true? Pause default track. The same, true. Stop track. Pause track. This goes. Oh, what is this? This goes true and false. to run to the little chit chat. So let me see how this going on. How this thing going on? Is it lagging? I think it's lagging. Oh, I have like the delay approximately a minute. I have the like a minute of the delay. So probably we will do something. Let me hold on. Okay, so this should be better, a little bit better. We need to wait a little bit. Yes, I have 63% frame drops. Huge. We will see. The stream should be better. We will see. But you know, actually, I think the media player is ready. So let's go to the statistics. Like the restore, like right now we will restore like the path points, you know, where to go, this all kind of stuff. Statistics. Oh, this one 200 p.m. It's not like. I hope this will get better. I stopped like the third like stream. Like we should be back to like just regular stream. I hope this will be fine. Max value and level. Max value. Max value. No longer laggy. Yes, and my OBS is saying me like this is like really stabilized. So yes, now we just figure out that we will not do the streams on the TikTok. Okay, so we restored statistics when I pick up these points. What else? I have the delay on YouTube. Wait a second. Yes, everything is quite stable. Everything is quite stable on YouTube. So yes, we're no longer in the lagging area. We can even go with the head. Nice, 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 nice. Yes, I have still lags in the editor itself. Hmm. Let's go back and add the UDP and so game instance first. Are we back? This stream just crashed on the Twitch. Mm-hmm. Game instance. Yes, sure, why not? We have the day, so let's have the more light. The UDP. Show. You're gonna do like this. This is we remove this thing. So we go to like this. After that, if this was like this, is true or false. Okay, so this goes like here. No longer lag, something's happening. So export. Yes, no longer lags. I disabled like the TikTok stream. So they apparently they do not allow like use the OBS to do the streams. So you have to use like their own like streaming application, which actually creates like the double performance issue if you already do the stream. So your PC have to like create as extra like flow of like the data and send this to the TikTok. If like the OBS, you can have like one data and send this like to other places, you know. So this is how it goes right now. I'm not sure that this will change in the future. So I disable this thing and the lags, they are gone. The solution is simple, you know, just like buy the PC, like which costs about like $5,000 to $10,000 and you will be just fine. But I don't have. This amount of money. But if you follow, subscribe, the likes, maybe we can change this thing in the future. Just kidding. Two. You know, make a wish. Make a wish. So the UDP input is now correct. Let's go to player main. So the component is here. And let's recreate the functions you saw the last time. Get owner player. And the command. All commands. And this is gonna be st UDP commands. Blueprint structure UDP command parameters. And these are string, bool, float, string, and string. Nice. Can I Ctrl C, Ctrl V? Yeah. No. Jump. Jump. Heal. Heal house. Energy. Energy. Move forward. Move backward. Move left. Move left. Move right. Left mouse click. Right mouse click. Interact main. Interrupt main. My God. Slot 1, slot 2, 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 6, slot 7, slot 8, slot 9, slot 10, and repeat. Nice. Ah, yes, slot 10. Woof. And we only left server spawn salute. Wait a second. Yes. I don't have the. Oh yes, I have. I have this. I forgot. Find the command. Let's create this thing. Find the command. Ooh. Ah. Command. Default name calls. Command is active. Custom. Local found. And let's see it. After that, the jump. Fireworks. Jump. False. So the component is ready. Now we need to connect this to the player. UDP commands. UDP. And now I've almost connected. I just need to remove the old code. Player main. Just like that. Just like that. And actually, I have the idea how to improve this thing, but we will leave it for the future. So the UDP is also back. Dialogues, this is, I will make this in later. Okay, let's fix this dialogue, like prevent player, like lean, So first we can actually do it like this and make this. Interesting. I think I will make like this. I will look like this. Be right back. What else? Movement. As for the movement, this is gonna be easy. So yes, the movement is back, like prevented this thing. Fixed cheat code travel to level. Okay. Lean weapon shooting direction. Character learn. $100 XP, 125. Let's go. Let's go. So the UDP is back. The UDP is back. So let's fix the level travel. I had like kind of like critical bug. if we try to travel between like the same level, the procedurally generated level, the game will crash. Game state. $150. So serial travel. Huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. I need to create this function server despawn map. Why? Map BP map BP map generator server server despawn. It's here, I'm walking here, and Greenland will be a game I need to dream. Have to go, come back in an hour or two. Oh yes, sure. Take your time, take your time. Thank you for being with me. Continue. I'm gonna continue this thing. So I really want to do the compilation already right now. But okay, I guess I will finish like these 42 and we'll compile this thing. Like yes, I will remove the cache and compile the thing. The only thing I'm really worried about, that the compilation might like take a long time, like couple of hours, and the compilation might not work if another engine is opened. The compilation might not work during this stream. So yes, so it's kind of like really disturbing process. So probably when I finish this list, I will end the stream. So yes, today we will have like kind of like the short stream kind of. And I will do like the compilation of off stream. And if this is successful, I'm gonna do the same thing, and yes, and ta-da, ta-da, you know. Spawn. Mm-hmm. Uh, Okay. Deceptor, hello, 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 Deceptor. Welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you for joining me. Yes, I know. I know your usual policy. Yes, thank you. Thank you for joining the stream. Today is like still I got like super scuffed and technical problem issues stream. My mic still not working, so I used like the camera microphone. I haven't checked anything yet since like the last stream, and I really got like right now a huge problem. Like I do the updates every Wednesday. Yes, I remember. Yeah, I was like on your stream. I was preparing the update that time, and the I was it was not successful. So I had like the like error, like exception violation of like the memory. I couldn't find like this and that stuff. The engine says like, and really doesn't give me like much information. I tried to dig this thing. I research this and that, and it turns out something is wrong with like the cache of the engine. I tried to remove everything, but this doesn't change anything. So I spent like since like Tuesday until like today, like all the time that I was able to try to fix this thing, but without results. So I decided to do like the radical thing. I got like my old backup, like 2 week old backup, and I'm trying to recreate all my work. So this is like right now the only options I can work with. Prevent player into cover or prone state underwater. Swing. Get is swimming. On cover. So yes, fixed. Prevent player to climb on pickups. Okay. No climbing on pickups. Done. Let's do fix the weapon. So we need item main, we need player main, and we need player weapon manager. Item manager. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So first thing first, remove use item. Main and alternative. Access spell. And add these the inputs here with the name player controller for Nice. Next, red leg item should start location. Location vector. And let's change the trace function, and that's it. Oh no. How this thing like delay? Stop rate delay. Okay, and yes, trace. Get item shoot location. That's it. So this thing is finished. Let's create the item inside of the item manager, like the colors, the logic. Okay, the logic is here. Now let's call this logic. Yes, correct. Error. What's error? Oh, okay. Item manager, use item main, false. True. Use alternative. So the fixes, I think it's done, like shooting, dialogues, leaning. Yes, prevent player take as obstacle. Launcher. Ignore player as obstacle. This is like easy, super easy fix. Make. So yes, now we do no longer prevent like player as like obstacle. Climb pickups, yes. Invisible collision plane walls. Okay. What is this? Weird. Why are you here? Lane left. Lane left. Let's make this thing. Let's remove the collision, any collision, and set this as use what engine can give us. Like, not, I mean by that, like, use complex collision as simple. And we will have like this, like, ideal collision like size. This is usually a bad thing to do, but since we got only 2 polygons, like 1 and 2, this will be fine, and we no longer experience like the bug with the collision. Prevent player enter cover when player level. Yes, this is like when I fix the player controller. Readability. This is like the brand new kind of feature. We have like the viewer and fellow streamer Shank. He helped me with like the adaptation of like the language to native English, native speakers. I made this thing off stream, but new way of receiving UDV commands, cheat codes, endless energy, yes. Visible respawn timer for pickups. Okay. Pickups. Close all the tabs and open the pickups. Unwrapped, picked. Okay, I need actor interact manager. Actor interact manager. Okay, so this is like just a whole new journey right now. So I'm gonna fix like the timer and the path to target at the same time. Okay, what else we got? Improve the cheat code. Add a single item, remove item. Remove the towels. See name from the distance. Oh my god. Ability to rename player name in the game is already there. And path points. And teleport to secret location. Actually, let's do this. Teleport to secret location. This is gonna be like easy task. Maybe this will inspire me. This is me, this is me. Are we back? I hope we are back. Like again, like I have big problems with performance right now, like on each level. So yes, sorry for that thing. Hope you will understand. Usually the vibe is not so scuffed and technical, but I don't know. I guess I just haunted by something. Okay, let's continue fix the game so I can finally compile the game. Again, so for those who like first time here, see or missed something, this is like apparently the development stream. I created the game called lepozhdian. The links below. Just if you're curious, so this is like the sandbox with a lot of customization options, like huge customization options. And the style of the game is the synthwave plus 80s Miami style. So I do this game like with my brother. I'm the programmer and he's like the 3D artist. And I do like the streams twice per week, and I regularly do updates like once per week. This time, like I failed to deliver the updates because of like Unreal Engine like underhood issue. I have no idea what's going on exactly. So I tried my best this whole week trying to fix this thing, but I have failed. So right now I'm just recreating like all my old code from like scratch. Something I just do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and this is like a little bit painful process. Plus on top of that I have like some weird issues with my PC, like I have like the memory leak from somewhere, and like my microphone does not work, like this all kind of stuff. So my plan kind of like I'm trying to accomplish these lists. So this is like my supposed update like this week. I'm trying to recreate everything, so it's like almost finished. So like this thing is already finished. I have left like the gameplay. After that, I'm gonna do like the compile. I remove like everything. Like I try to reboot the computer, remove like the memory, remove all cache that I could find, and compile the game and see how it goes. If it goes well, this means yay. This is like we're going to somewhere, and I will be able to continue the work, because I also got like the previous week of work, like version 41. So these things also need to be recreated. And yes, so this is the plan. I am super tired, super cooked. super exhausted, super stressed like these days. I hope everything will be okay. I hope everything will be okay. And if everything will be okay, the next update will be on Wednesday, as usual. As usual. So probably I will try to. I think I will, like, at some point I will end the stream, because I will need like all the resources that I can get in order to compile the game. And plus to check like the in-between state of like what's going on. So I'm finishing like these tasks, and yes, I will finish like this stream. Maybe if everything will be just okay, I will connect again, and we will continue like with 41. Loop. Yeah, the teleportation fixed. It's 10 actors with timers. Actor. I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All the things going on. I almost finished like all tasks like from the version 42. Everything like almost there. I have left like the hardest part. After that, like I think I will like pause this stream and I will like do the compilation because I think I will not be able to do this thing during this stream. And I will check how the things going on. If everything is successful, I just do the backup and keep the work. Because the 42 is not the end. I have 41 as well. Maybe I will join like the stream like after that, when the things is like compiled and everything is like seems to me like stable and I can continue work on those. So the spawn of the timer is ready. Now we need to add this like call to be called. And create the visuals for the timer. So we add BPI string and basically that's it. That's it. So the timer restored. No longer teleport location, yes. Cheat code single item. Okay. Pum pum pum. Pum. Add item. Otherwise this thing. Boom, boom, boom. Remove item. Tururum, boom. Tururum. And nothing. Nothing. Get item database. I have missing function. Okay. Tararam, taram, taram. Oh. The optimization. Here remove item. This is actually bad code, because I would love to have this thing not only on the player side, but also on the AI side. So this needs to be reworked like later. But not right now. This is not the priority. So cheat code, towels. I will move this like later. Character names from the distance. Okay, so basically I have left like two things. First is to view other AI like names from the distance, and the second one is to like pick up the root, so we can like see the spheres, like the arrow at the end, this kind of stuff. So basically these are like the two tasks, and the 42 will be like kind of like completed, and I can like try to compile the game. I'm kind of trying to gather my thoughts together. I'm like super tired. I don't remember where this thing starts. Mm-hmm. We copy the box to trace other pawns. Begin overlap. And overlap, and let's rename it. Somehow with the collision, Unreal Engine works not the best way. Character look at. Okay, so we need to change this thing to actor, not pawn. Actor. Actor. Actually, I'm thinking right now, like, okay, yes, it's good. I think right now ending like this stream. For those who's like with me, I will send you to somewhere. I want to compile the game. Because it would be like the super like unpleasant if I like will finish like all the work and something is like still is not quite right. So I remove all this stuff, disable. Plus, you see, I have a big problem right now. This is my C drive. I think I should stop this thing like immediately. So yes, thank you for watching me. I will try to go back as soon as I can. Hope everything will be just fine. I will try it right now, like reboot the PC, clear everything what I can get, and I will return. I hope so. So like the main point is right now fix the game. So I'm sending like our tiny rate to our fellow streamer, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.